Once upon a time, in the heart of a vast and prosperous kingdom, there lived a kind and beautiful princess named Alara. Her golden hair flowed like a river of sunshine, and her eyes sparkled like the stars. Beloved by all, Alara was not only known for her beauty but also for her compassionate heart. She would often wander through the kingdom, disguised as a commoner, to understand the lives of her people. King Arion, Alara's father, was a wise and just ruler, but he was also overprotective of his only daughter. He had decreed that Alara would only marry a prince from a wealthy and powerful kingdom, believing that this would secure both her happiness and the kingdom's prosperity. Despite his love for his daughter, King Arion failed to see that true happiness comes from the heart, not from wealth and power. In a humble village on the outskirts of the kingdom, there lived a young man named Finn. He was the son of a poor farmer, and though he had little in terms of material wealth, he was rich in spirit. Finn was known for his courage, intelligence, and unwavering sense of justice. He was also incredibly kind, often helping his neighbors with their chores and standing up for those who could not defend themselves. One day, as Princess Alara wandered through the village in her commoner's disguise, she came across Finn helping an elderly woman carry a heavy load of firewood. Impressed by his kindness and strength, Alara struck up a conversation with him. They talked about many things: the struggles of the villagers, the beauty of the kingdom, and their hopes and dreams for the future. By the end of their conversation, Alara felt a connection with Finn that she had never felt with anyone else. Over the following weeks, Alara and Finn continued to meet in secret. They would explore the forests, swim in the rivers, and talk for hours about everything under the sun. Alara was captivated by Finn's wisdom and bravery, and Finn was enchanted by Alara's kindness and grace. Their love grew stronger with each passing day, though they both knew that their union would be impossible given their vastly different social standings. One fateful day, King Arion announced a grand tournament to be held in honor of Princess Alara's upcoming birthday. The tournament would be open to noblemen and princes from neighboring kingdoms, and the winner would earn the right to court Princess Alara. News of the tournament spread quickly, and Finn, determined to prove his worth, decided to enter the competition despite not being of noble birth. Finn trained tirelessly, honing his skills in archery, swordsmanship, and horseback riding. When the day of the tournament arrived, the village rallied behind him, cheering him on as he made his way to the royal castle. The tournament grounds were filled with knights and princes, each vying for Princess Alara's hand. Though many scoffed at the sight of a commoner entering the competition, Finn remained undeterred. The tournament was fierce, with many challenging events testing the competitors' strength, skill, and bravery. To everyone's surprise, Finn excelled in each challenge, his natural talent and determination shining through. Princess Alara watched in awe and trepidation, her heart swelling with pride and fear for Finn. As the final event approached, a jousting match against the kingdom's most formidable knight, Finn's chances of winning seemed slim. The knight, Sir Dorian, was known for his unmatched skill and ruthless tactics. But Finn, fueled by his love for Alara and the support of the villagers, faced Sir Dorian with unwavering resolve. The joust was intense, with both men displaying incredible skill and bravery. Finn, though smaller and less experienced, used his agility and quick thinking to his advantage. in a surprising turn of events. Finn unseated Sir Dorian, winning the tournament and earning the right to court Princess Alara. The crowd erupted in cheers, and Alara's heart soared with joy. King Arion, though initially displeased, could not ignore the overwhelming support for Finn from both the villages and the nobility who had witnessed his extraordinary feats. Realizing that Finn's courage and character were more valuable than any title or wealth, King Arion reluctantly agreed to let Finn court his daughter. Over time, King Arion came to see Finn's true worth and gave his blessing for Finn and Alara to marry. The wedding was a grand celebration, attended by people from all corners of the kingdom. Alara and Finn's love had triumphed over the barriers of class and convention, proving that true happiness and prosperity come from the heart. Together, Princess Alara and Finn ruled the kingdom with wisdom, compassion, and justice. Under their reign, the kingdom flourished, and the people prospered. And Sir, the humble young man and the beautiful princess lived happily